You're watching how Leap. Let's fix the Instagram chat draw option not showing. This feature is called Doodle. First, update the Instagram app. Go to your device's app store, search for Instagram and tap update. Restart your phone after updating. Next, open Instagram direct messages and select a chat. Tap the camera icon to the left of the text box. In the camera view, swipe left through the camera modes at the bottom like live boomerang until you see a pen icon. If you don't see it, tap the magic wand or effects icon. Sometimes the draw tool is hidden there. If it's still missing, clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, offload the app via Settings, General, iPhone Storage, tap Instagram, then offload app and reinstall. The feature may also be rolling out slowly to all users. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.